Girls have been at it again, laying in a new spot. There's at least a dozen. Looks like 15 eggs. Oh my gosh, another pile. Oh my gosh.
Sorry, baby.
That's a lot of eggs, girl.
I just don't have confidence in Big Daddy's. In Big Daddy's
Wow.
fertilization.
Of course, we got Broody Girl.
Get it?
She said, don't take all my eggs. All right, make us some chicks, girl.
Here you go. Here you go. Take this one.
Good job, girl. Well, we are set for eggs.
28, 30.
30 eggs underneath the house. My goodness. Look at all those eggs.
And it can't be more than 3 days.
No, absolutely. That's crazy.
She wasn't over there and we looked for eggs.
Yep.